Hi, Arizona families. My name is Skip. I'm the general manager of sales at Shasta Pools. And we want to make sure you know about our 3 design centers that you can come and visit in person or virtually through an online meeting. But let us show you some of the highlights that we have that you'll see when you come in. So one of the important topics you and your family are going to want to learn about is pool filtration. Now there's 3 popular questions that I would suggest you ask anyone you're looking at. What is the brand type? What level of maintenance am I going to have to get involved with? And is it a backwash filter or not? Weekly, there's a certain amount of water that you're going to want to backwash or pull out of the pool somewhere. Consider your water usage, consider how much chemicals you'll be going through. But if you ask those 3 questions, we think you can gain a peace of mind about what filter is best for your family.